I'm over here. Hold on tight. You don't want to fall down. All the screaming is because he's excited and he wants in his bathtub. He does this every time I fill up the tub. He actually, usually, he knows the camera's on him. Usually he's on his toes trying to climb in. Woo, hold on, you almost fell down. I'm so afraid he's gonna fall. Oh, there he goes. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Yes, we're about to get in. Yay! Yay! It's time to get in the tub.